Nice, everyone. On this exercise, we need the wall. Make sure it's somewhere where you can slide your hand. And also, don't rush through the exercise. I'm going to try to demonstrate sideways here, but we spin on the palm of the hand. And I want you to try to keep as much contact and as much weight on your hand as possible on the wall, because this is how we're going to get used to loosen up your shoulder and also your back in order to be able to do the bridge on the floor as well. So I'm going to start by placing my hands fingers up and the position I'm facing the other way. I want to rotate my hand and then place the other hand, take this hand off, rotate the other hand back. To come back to the other side, I'm going to start with my hand up. My toes are pointing the other way. I'm going to move away from the wall, but I want to lift my finger so I can rotate my hand, place the other hand, take the hand off, rotate. Yeah, that's what I'm going to do. For me to increase this exercise, I'm going to move away from the wall and I'm going to do the same thing. So now I'm actually leaning, there will be more weight on my arm, so we'll make it harder. So I'm going to rotate, place the hand, rotate, and then I'm going to step to the side. And then now I'm going to be stepping in. So I'm going to step, turn to that position, rotate, place the hand, take the hands out, come back, and then rotate again. For you to increase, keep moving forward. There's only so far you can go. So be careful, make sure you don't slip your hands. Make sure before you start to spin, it's solid there, and then you can progress. I'm going to show a variation. If this is too easy, the next variation is to do the bridge press up. So this is the variation if you already find it too easy to do on the wall and can't go any lower. I'm going to go flat on the floor. My feet, make sure, ideally I like to do against the wall so my feet doesn't slide, but because on the mat, I should be okay. So I'm going to take my fingers and place my hand on the floor with my fingers pointing towards my shoulder. Some of you might not have the flexibility and your hand is going to be off the floor like this. It's okay, because when I lean my hip up, I should place my whole hand on the floor. And just by that is already exercise for you to improve the flexibility. So from there, I'm going to get my hip up and I'm going to try to go off the floor. If this is as far as I can go, that's fine. I want you to try to hold on the top for a good 1 or 2 seconds. Bring your weight down and then reset. So there, go as high as I can. Stop, come back. Put your hip back on the floor, up, push, and then come back. Let me show you sideways. Our goal is to go as high as you can. So hip up, my hands on the floor. I start to push myself up and then come back down. So every time I go up and I go down, that's 1 count. And for you to increase, you can get your hands closer to your feet. And any questions, just let me know. I see you on the next one.